Darion, the man who authorities say was the last person to see 4-year-old Malia Davis, has been charged with tampering with evidence, namely a corpse, in the disappearance, law enforcement tells ABC 13. The Gulf Coast Violent Offenders and Fugitive Task Force confirmed Vence was taken into custody on Saturday. While the charges state tampering with evidence, namely a corpse, law enforcement officials have not yet confirmed whether the girl has died. Texas EquuSearch volunteers have been looking for Malia since the story of her abduction was told by Vence. We all know the story of what he said. Recently, there was a video where he was taking out trash bags. There's a rumor that there's a video of him near a Popeyes. I don't know how true that is, but we do know right now he is in custody, which tells us he knows a lot more than what he's saying, obviously. The most important thing, though, is charged with tampering with evidence, namely a corpse. So this is cluing into me that perhaps they know she's been found. Maybe they're doing preparation for a news conference. I'm unsure. But tampering with a corpse is a pretty strong charge to put against somebody if there is not a corpse. So we'll see what's going to happen here.